Hi. Hi. Oh no. My goodness. How are you? Where did you come from?
So sorry. Got away from her.
Oh, well, she's probably just too small for her leash.
It's a he, actually.
Oh, well, he is just the cutest thing I've ever seen. Yeah. What's his name?
I just call him Mr. Black.
Oh, that's fun. I can imagine him with a top hat and a bow tie, kind of a James Bond kind of thing.
Man with the golden doodle.
Well, he's absolutely made my day, so thank you. I'm Sandy, by the way.
Oh, like Grease, Sandy, you know.
Yeah, I've never liked that movie.
What?
Yeah, I mean, I just never understood why she had to change for John Travolta's character. You know, she's pretty great the way she was.
I can see you have some strong opinions about the movie, so I'll concede.
I'm glad you know how it's done. Do you have a name?
Yeah, my name's...
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Oh, sorry. Coming.
My name's Thad, by the way. It's nice to meet you.
Do you want a large bravo?
I'm sorry, I don't even know what that is.
So do you want one or not?
Yeah, I'll take one.
Great. That'll be $6.75.
Maybe I can just change my order to a small cup of coffee.
Sure. That'd be $4.50.
For just a regular coffee?
Yep. Not selling drugs, bud. And name for the order.
It's Thad. My name's Thad.
Yeah, great. Large batch brew for Chad.
Large batch brew?
It's Thad.
Yeah, sure, bud. If you could just, yeah, that'd be great. See ya.
Chad! Oh, hey.
Thank you.
Large cappuccino for Donna.
Cappuccino!
You ready? Yeah. That's what we're gonna need today.
You want a large brevet?
Yeah, but can I just get a small brave?
No.
Why do you call it a large brave? Should it just be a brave?
Listen, I hear you. But do I tell you to run your business?
Oh, you own this place.
And trying to make a living too, so you want one?
Yeah.
And come on, Daddy wants to get some hot dogs.
It's Thad. T-H-A-D. Got it?
Large brevet for Chad.
Large brevet!
It's Thad! Hi, Sandy.
Large brevet?
Thank you so much.
Yeah, how's that 007 dog doing?
Oh, he's doing all right. He's just out front waiting for me.
Oh. Is that his leash?
Mister? Mister! Come here, boy! Mister! Mr. Black! Mr. Black! Hey! Have you seen the dog? It's a little gray dog. Mr. Black!
Large cortado. Large cortado. Large cortado. What am I speaking Spanish here?
I have to go help him.
Who, Chad?
Does he run away often?
Yeah, but never totally out of sight.
Who's the dream girl? Oh, it's a lot of condoms.
No, it's not what you think. They do wonders for my back. It's lumbar support. I get them free from the clinic. Look, my wife, my ex-wife, she left me and took everything. That's why I'm like this. I only had one condition.
She let you keep the dog.
I got to keep the dog.
But he would recognize the smell.
Mr. Black! Mr. Black!
Mr. Black!
Boy!
Mr. Black!
Mr. Black!
Mr. Black!
Excuse me?
Oh, I'm sorry. That's not what I meant.
You didn't mean to say Mr. Black as loudly as you could?
Yeah. Have you seen a little dog anywhere?
And the dog's name is
Mr. Black!
Mr. Black. A little black dog? Wears maybe a cute little bow tie you put on him, or maybe even a coat. Top hat.
Exactly.
Adorable. I'm messing with you guys. I'm just playing with you, but you really shouldn't run around yelling Mr. Black with a bunch of condoms in your hand.
Oh no, it's just for the smell.
Not helping your case. Yeah, best of luck finding your pup.
Thanks, Mr. Black.
Thanks.
Come here, boy!
We need to cover more ground. Here. Stop. We need to borrow this.
No.
Yes.
No.
We'll be bringing it back just for a second, okay? Promise. Come on.
Mr. Black!
Mr. Black.
I thought I was a bad driver. I was just sad.
Hadn't left this hard in a long time. Feels good. What are you doing?
Primal therapy. This is what I was doing when Mr. Black first found me.
That does feel good. We've been looking all over for you.
Where did you go to?
I think he was just hungry.
Yeah.
He's always hungry.
Well, should we get something to eat?
I can do that.
Dad?
I'd like that.
You gonna have money this time, Chad?
We'll see what we can do.